How to change start location in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of Google Maps over here. So just go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Maps. So as you can see, we have an updated version of the application. So just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page. Now make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Now, first of all, what you need to do is you need to search for your desired location over here. For example, I'm going for CN Tower. And what you need to do is just tap on directions. And then here you'll be given the option to choose the start location. So just tap on your start location by you can just type your location, or you can select the your location option over here, which is your current live location, so it will be easier for you. You can also choose a map over here, or you can just type on the search bar and your start location will be changed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.